Enactus has made me go out of my comfort zone, and because of that I was able to build confidence and experience. I was also able to find like-minded people like me that wanted to create change around the community and impact the lives of others with projects that assess the needs of communities and cater to those needs.
Enactus has given me the opportunity to grow as a person, to better myself and better my communication skills and analytic skills, which I will use in my professional and personal life. Through projects like mock interviews, I am also able to help other students here at CPCC and teach them about their pros and cons for giving interviews, and also better their communication skills.
I helped with mock interviews quite extensively, and I believe that the people who went in saw both pros and cons, strengths and weaknesses, to their ability to gain employment in the future, which will not only help them, but help the people around them, creating kind of a web of webs of people who are now helping others through their own improvement, as well as improving me by showing me my own strengths and weaknesses and how I can both help people and help myself.
Enactus means so much to me because it allows everyone a chance to grow, to use the skills that they have, to learn new skills, and to partner together. And partnership, working with others, that's really what we all need to make the world a better place. So Enactus is the way to go.